Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you a problem that is image not showing issue. Okay, so sometimes let's say we want to show this image in our website or web page. So what we have to do, we have to include this image in HTML file, right? So this is the extension WEBP and this is the name. So let me just add it. We have to use image tag here. In image tag we have to write source and then we have to mention the name srk.extension WEBP. Okay, so this is how we can add image in a web page, right? So let me refresh it, and as you can see we have a broken image here, but we have mentioned everything in details, right? We didn't do any mistake. As you can see, we have srk here and the extension is .wbp. So what is the problem? The problem is, so we have run this HTML file from here, this document folder, right? As you can see, our file name is test.html, but here is if you can see that here is no image, here is no such image like which is containing srk.wbp, right? If we go to the next folder here, test image, so our image is actually in this folder, not in this folder. Okay, so we have to mention the folder location, otherwise it will not work. So we are in documents and then we have to give the test image folder location and then it will work. So our current destination folder is documents and then backslash, not slash, it's called backslash, this is slash and this is called backslash. So documents is our current folder and then backslash to the destination folder of the image, that is called test image. As you can see, test image. In documents we have another folder is called test image, and then we have this file. So we have to use here slash, not backslash. Okay, to change the directory or folder you have to use backslash, and when you reach your final destination folder then you can use slash here and then image name, right? And let me just save it and refresh it from here, Ctrl+R, and it is not working. Okay, so let me check one more time. Let's go here and just copy all the things from here, from this address bar, copy and then go here and paste it like this and then give a slash. So this is in our C drive, and then under OneDrive we are in documents folder. Okay, and then we have to give the image folder destination, that is test image, and then we have to give a slash, then file name, and now save it and let's refresh it now. So it works, right? srk. So this is the image. So this is how you can solve this issue, image not showing, solved.